Hello again! I have a very exciting drawing for you today. I have a very moody lady in a red dress because I love red dresses and I love moody ladies. And I mixed a lot of colors to get to this red. It's a mix of purple, red, yellow, ochre. I don't even know how many colors I mixed in here, but I do know how to get to the color if I want to do it again. So yeah, that's the thing. And I like this tone of red the most. It's that subtle, desaturated red, but strong and deep. So yeah, it's a nice red. And I did use reference for this pose, but I improvised much of everything else. I broke the anatomy at the middle, like the torso. She wasn't that thin in the picture. Nobody looks that thin in the picture. So even if you're like the skinniest photo model, like model, you still don't look that thin. Trust me, that's not real. But it works for this shape. So there you go. What people do for art and why everybody wonders why they're not perfect. Anyways. I hope you're having a good day. I hope you're okay. It's summer here where I am, at least at the moment I'm recording this video. It's summer and nice. I don't know exactly when, on what timeline this video will be on the channel, but it will definitely be there and you'll get to see it. In case you haven't learned yet, on YouTube everybody does their videos in advance unless they're vlogging, in which case they try to keep it close to the time period where they record the video, because why see a vlog about summer in the winter unless you're living in Australia where it's summer in the winter. And for the hair, again, I went to this brown tone. Did I talk about the skin? I did not. I love this tone of the skin. It's a mix of orange, red and yellow all together and mixed again. And it gives it this very close to real tone. I like this one. I just don't spend most of my time making it, so if I can pick between spending time and mixing the color, or just dropping in an ochre on the face and saying that's the color, then I go with that. I'm sorry, I'm that type of artist. I don't bother. Sometimes I can get this tone by layering thinner colors directly on the paper, but it's not something that I like to do. It's not exactly safe from an artistic point of view. I mean, what if it smudges? What if it's too saturated? Then I have to take it out. What if it doesn't work? All the drama. Close up on the face, again, doesn't she look beautiful? I think I skipped some of the work on the face. I do remember that my camera decided to not start recording when I pressed the button, or I just forgot to press the button completely, because I do that a lot. Can you blame me? Like, the camera is secondary. And you can see me detailing the dress in all the ways that I can think of. I love folds. I love medieval style dresses. I rarely use them because it gets very hot in them, especially in summer. This would work for an autumn, but who wants to dress like this in autumn? Come on, really? Why would anybody want to dress like this in autumn? Too complicated. Too many layers, too many folds. Defining shapes. on the faces is that it takes experience, time, and patience. And here I'm drawing the fields. I wanted her to be in a cornfield or wilderness kind of expression. And I wanted to put emphasis. Is that word in English? Didn't check. I wanted to put center attention to her face, which is why I drew the two light forms at her back. And I jumped in with the pen because it was easier, simpler, faster, less stressful. And I shaped the rest of her hair. I like doing this jittery, uncontrollable, hard to handle pen streaks. It gives the art a more random appearance, brings it to life. I like this moody Edgar Allan Poe type of art, but it's very often associated with zombies, vampires, and skulls, which I don't particularly enjoy drawing. I mean, I like a vampire. I have a vampire character somewhere. I've done it, but whatever. Anyways, thank you for watching. You can see this on my Instagram in more details if you want to check it out. If not, see you again next week. Bye bye!